Hi guys, this is Vinyal Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So guys, it's been almost 4 days. From 4 days I was taking rest in my hotel only. So doctor suggested me to take some massage for my legs. So every day I used to go for massage. So now I'm okay, almost 80%. But I can't take my bike because it's a heavy right now because of with these legs. So I thought to go out in cab. And the thing is so today I thought to make a video on Taj Mahal. So right now I'm in Agra now. If I'm not covering Taj Mahal in Agra, it won't be good. So I'll go and I'll make such a nice video on Taj Mahal. I'll show you Taj Mahal. So I think everybody knows Taj Mahal. So I'll show you Taj Mahal. So I'll make a video on Taj Mahal. So from here I'll leave tomorrow because by tomorrow I'll be okay, my leg, everything and all. So from here just 2 kilometers guys. So finally I came out. So it's been almost 4 days. So just now I booked the cab, I'm waiting for the cab. Finally came.
Delhi से?
Yeah, not Delhi. Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore.
वगैरह जाना है तो कॉल कर देना।
Okay.
वैसे अगर आपको व्यू बनाना है, व्यू बनाने जा रहे हो आप, व्यू बनाना है आपको तो आप मेहताबाग जाइए।
क्या किधर?
मेहताबाग।
मेहताबाग
जी।
वो क्या मिलेगा उधर?
उधर मिलेगा क्या ताजमहल की बैक साइड।
ताजमहल की बैक साइड।
नंबर 1।
क्या है प्लेस नेम? मेहताबाग।
मेहताबाग गार्डन।
मेहताबाग गार्डन।
जी।
ओके।
आगरा फोर्ट जाइए, बेबी ताज जाइए।
हाँ।
ठीक है।
ओके। It's going like a rocket. See? Hotel to here just 2 kilometers. So I bought these two. Without these they won't allow inside because we have to wear this for our shoes. Then only we have to go inside the Taj Mahal. I bought for 10 rupees. So again I have to take here a battery vehicle. So I came by auto, Ola auto. So from here I have to take a battery vehicle. You can see battery vehicles.
BTS बैठे तो बताइए। हाँ मोदी जी नहीं कोई आएगा यहाँ बैठने हाँ लो वो लोग आएंगे तो हमें बैठने को भी नहीं देंगे हमारी गाड़ी मत बंद
So just now I came here almost entrance. I took this battery van. It is almost just 10 rupees. And again I'm telling you guys, there is no offline store. You have to book tickets from online only. And the thing is, without mask they won't allow inside. So please carry your mask and without. Again I'm telling you, offline tickets they are not selling. They are selling only online tickets. And I'll tell you the link also. I'll tell you the website name also. You can check from the website. So once if you book from online that ticket, so you'll get barcodes. So you have to show here. Then only you can enter inside. So you can see here. Again I'm telling you guys, there is no offline ticket counter here. You have to book from online because of Corona. So they are not they didn't open offline counters. You can see how to keep your mobile here. So I came out. Sorry, I came inside. So again there is a security check-in guys. So here they won't allow gutka, pan parak, those kind of stuff. So finally done with my security checking. So finally I came into Taj Mahal. You can see such a big gate. Wow, I can see little thoda chota Taj Mahal. Oof. You can see, wow, Taj. Kya baat hai bhai. See how beautiful is this? Wow. Mumtaz, you are really lucky, yaar. You got such a nice husband. He made such a nice Taj Mahal for you. Wow. Lucky fellow. Okay. So just now I came out from Taj Mahal, and I thought to do some shopping for my mom. So wherever I go, I'm buying something to my mom. So there is some jewelry, like with marble they are doing jewelry. So I thought to buy. You can see there is some shop, UP Fine Marble Industry. So they are making everything here with marble only. So we'll see which one will be good. Show me, bhaiya, thoda.
See, this is
What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Danish.
Mohammed?
Danish.
Danish.
Yeah.
Super.
We are selling some small souvenir for the small marble necklace,
Okay.
for the bracelets.
Wow, looks so good, right? See?
Yeah, this all this real stone.
Real stones?
Yeah, this is not a plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, for the James Stone.
Okay.
Because this my grandfather, he took this national award, Indian president.
Oh wow! You can see the guy who's from the shop. He took national award. School. What's his name?
The Hafiz Khan.
Hafiz Khan. Superb. You can see there are so many items out there. It's a completely marble made. Exactly next to Taj Mahal. Which gate?
It's Eastern Gate.
Eastern Gate. You can see. I think I'll take this to my mom. Such a nicey. It's a completely marble, guys, and it's not at all plastic. The original stones. Cool. Wo pack karo bhai.
Okay.
Let me see anything else. See? Taj Mahal, cute. Wow. You can see this. So many are there here. So finally I took something from Taj Mahal for my mom. So I'll leave this place. Bye bye guys, it's already late.